Hey Cruise Gear friends, we are popping in for a very quick hello today. As many of you know, we have been plotting an awesome surprise here on our Cruise Gear channel for the last month or so, and I'd like to officially welcome you to Gear-Athon. Gear-Athon is 26 days of awesome gear reviews, and as you can see from all of the awesome stuff behind me, we are going to be very busy bringing you all kinds of reviews on new travel gear. So if you are not already subscribed to our channel, make sure that you subscribe and turn on that notifications bell. As an added surprise, we have partnered with travelonbags.com to bring you all an exclusive discount code. It is an ongoing discount code that you can use to get 20% off of stuff on their website. All of the details are in the description box below, and as you can see behind me, there is so much cool, gorgeous, and new stuff at Travel On Bags we're really thrilled to introduce you to. So stay tuned for the next 26 days for some awesome gear reveals, live streams, and all kinds of little surprises. Until next time, get in gear and get cruising.